Wonderful nighttime beverages will help you burn fat and clean your liver while you sleep. All of us need an occasional liver cleanse. This organ performs various functions in the body, which means that it is of utmost importance for our health. Among the things that can disrupt the function of this organ are poor nutritional choices, environmental toxins, etc. For that purpose, we have incredible 5 nighttime beverages that will clean your liver literally while you sleep. In addition, these drinks will help you burn fat by cleansing the blood, increasing the metabolic action and eliminating the harmful toxins from the body. 5 wonderful nighttime beverages will help you burn fat and clean your liver while you sleep. According to the Chinese medicine, our liver works perfectly between 1 a.m. and 3 a.m. So, if we supply our body with the best nutrients before going to sleep, we will provide it a proper cleansing which will reduce the harmful toxins in the body and will burn fat. 1. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is a wonderful nighttime beverage that offers antioxidants and various relaxing properties. It has the ability to improve our sleep, control the nervous system, and relieve tension. Chamomile has been used as a traditional medicine for thousands of years to calm anxiety and settle stomachs. Moreover, it has potent anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce pressure from inflamed cells or muscle tissue. Needed ingredients: 1 tablespoon chamomile blossoms, 8 ounces water. Directions: boil the water, remove it from heat, and add the chamomile. Let it stand for 10 minutes. Then, you can drink it. You should drink this tea every night, for a few weeks. 2. Hot lemon water. Lemon water is known as the best option for starting the day. Well, it is a perfect choice to consume at night as well. It has strong diuretic and cleaning properties and can cleanse your liver and improve its function. Needed ingredients: 1 lemon, 6 ounces water. Directions: warm the water and squeeze the juice from the lemon. Drink this half an hour before going to sleep. Repeat this for 3 weeks. 3. Lemon and ginger tea. Combining these two gives us an incredible combination that is very effective for burning fat. Also, it improves your overall health. Both ingredients are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that can prevent illnesses and diseases. Ginger acts as an anti-inflammatory agent and can boost the consumption of calories and remove waste ingredients. Lemon is a great cleanser, which means that it is amazing for abdominal inflammation. Needed ingredients: 1 piece of ginger, 8 ounces of drinking water, half a lemon. Directions: boil the water, add the ginger and the lemon juice and let it rest for 15 minutes. Stir well and consume. You should consume this beverage 3 times a week. 4. Peppermint tea. It is an amazing tea for our intestines and stomach as it is filled with digestive improving properties. It includes essential natural oils that can help all of us expel all the toxic items that we possess in our liver along with our colon. Mint is a particularly good source of vitamin A fat-soluble vitamin that is critical for eye health and night vision. It is also a potent source of antioxidants, especially when compared to other herbs and spices. Antioxidants help protect your body from oxidative stress, a type of damage to cells caused by free radicals. Needed ingredients: 2 tablespoons of fresh mint leaves, 20 grams. 8 ounces of drinking water. Directions: boil the fresh mint leaves for 2 minutes. Cover it and let it rest. Consume this beverage 30 minutes before going to sleep. Repeat this every day for 3 weeks. 5. Oatmeal. Oats are an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber essential for the proper function of the digestive system. In addition, they are extremely important for clean liver and intestinal tract. Needed ingredients: 1 mug of natural whole oats, 6 mugs of purified drinking water, 1 teaspoon organic cinnamon powder. Directions. Soak the oats for 7 hours. Strain them and clean them well. This will eliminate all the chemical inhibitors and the anti-nutrients. Liquefy the oats with the cinnamon and water. Also, you can decorate with few ice cubes. Enjoy.